As I stand in our nation's capital, this country's in trouble. The only hope.
So should a former prosecutor be allowed to defend that same client? That question was raised this week after court documents surfaced from a Hinds County case showing former District Attorney Robert Schuler Smith representing someone he once prosecuted. And the county's current DA is already trying to get him removed. Chief Investigative Reporter C.J. Lemaster explains.
This was not a violation at all.
Former Hinds County District Attorney Robert Schuler Smith says it's not a conflict of interest for him to represent Prince Johnson, even though his office prosecuted that same person for nearly 3 years. Johnson was indicted by a Hinds County grand jury on 8 counts of prescription fraud in 2017 and is alleged to be the ringleader of the operation in court documents.
I had no knowledge of these cases. And I think, obviously, the assistant district attorneys know that, most of the cases are handled in court by them, unless it's something that I handle directly.
Smith cites a Mississippi Supreme Court case that mimics his, where a former prosecutor later defended the same person. The court ruled that because that prosecutor didn't remember prosecuting that original case, it wasn't a conflict. Smith says he even contacted the Mississippi Bar Association to ask if this could be done.
If anyone had an objection, they could raise it and we could discuss their position, but I never heard anything, no objections have been raised.
3 on Your Side found another case listing Smith as a defense attorney, the case of Ryan Davis, who's accused of shooting several people at a 2016 block party during Jackson State's homecoming weekend. Smith denies any involvement in that.
I don't represent this person. I don't really know how they and why they have my name on this one.
But he does admit to representing others his office has previously prosecuted.
No, there's actually a few, but we've been working those out. Things have been fine. Yeah. Okay. It's just this particular case.
Right.
And because of what I filed, that's the only reason why we're fighting about this issue.
C.J. Lemaster, 3 on Your Side.